students of grade 4. I hope you all are well at your home. I am here myself Khushida Dej and I am your English teacher, and today we will continue block 1 with the day 2, and in the day 2 you are going to study beginning, middle and end of the story, and the story, as you know, is the Golden Goose. For this you need resources, and that resources are your books, that is your content book and workbook, as you see on the screen. The aim of today's work is to identify the purpose of the beginning, middle and end of the story. Means why the beginning, middle and end of the story is needed. And keywords for the same are beginning, middle and end. As you see, a roller coaster is there, a ride is there, where you have to start, it is the beginning, where you reach, it is the middle, and at last it is the end. When you read these sentences, the goose decided to help them by giving her golden feather. The woman was sad when the feathers turned white and the goose flew away. The old woman and her daughter lived in a mud house. The goose was magical. Do you think this is the correct sequence? No, na. This doesn't form a proper story. So, to make a proper story, to get proper identification, we need a proper sequence, and in that proper sequence we need beginning, middle and end of the story. Means the beginning, middle and end must be proper. Okay, so today we will learn about why it is important for every story to have a beginning, middle and end. This, as you see, this is a wrong sequence. Then you will ask, ma'am, what is the right sequence then? This is the right sequence. Beginning, middle and end. The same sentences we have kept like this. Means we have given them the title beginning, middle and end. First was the woman and her daughters lived in a mud house. The goose was magical. ठीक है, this was the beginning. Middle is what? The goose decided to help them by giving her golden feather. The old woman was sad. Why? When the feathers turned white, the goose flew away. This gives us, if these sentences are there, then only we can link the story properly. Without proper sequence, we can't link the story properly. So, for having a proper sequence, we need to have a proper beginning, middle and end of the story. These are the important part of the story, as you can say, because without these the story can't be complete, can't be properly set out. Now you have to take out your workbook. In the workbook you have to take out page number 12, and on that page number 12, if you see, same thing has been given, beginning, middle and end. It has been, some sentences has been given, you have to read out it properly, then you have to give it like it is beginning, end or middle of the story. When you read it, the old woman and her daughter lived in a mud house with creaking doors and windows. They were very poor and usually sat outside the mud house near a fire made of twigs and leaves to keep them warm. You can see this sentence in your content book also. This is the beginning of the story. Beginning means what? Start of the story. In this way the story has been started. The goose's feather grew back again, but this time they were as soft white shade, and when it was summer, the goose flew away to cooler lands and never returned. The woman and her daughters were poor again. The woman wished she had been so greedy. This was happened in the last. When she got nothing, she got greedy, and because of greediness, she got nothing, and the goose flew away. This was the end of the story. And the woman told the daughter of her plan to catch the goose and pluck out all the feathers. So when the goose came to drop a feather on the ledge the next day, the woman called it closer and grabbed the goose with both her hands and plucked out all its feathers. This is the middle of the story, as you can see. Means in this way you can identify what is the beginning, end and middle of the story. In the same way, match the following is there. Question number 2, match the following is also there. You have to match the words, that is beginning, middle and end, with the proper sentences given on the other side. Okay, this is all about our workbook work. Now reading will be also given, so read properly and understand the story properly. Thank you. This is all about today's work.